Good morning! What's up, guys? I'm back in my family home. I'm with my parents still, and today we're gonna do a little active getting outside day for once because we've been quite the homebodies, just chilling together, but I think it's good that we actually get out and do something. And I'm not really one to work out too often unless I'm with my parents because they love going to the gym all together, and that's the only thing that will get me to the gym. So we're gonna do that today. So yeah, spend the day with me and my parents. Again, let's go get ready. They're waiting on me to, they're waiting on me to eat breakfast with them. I already brushed my teeth, trust. My toothbrush is wet. It's wet. I swear, guys, I swear I would not lie about this. And then my one other essential for the morning is SPF. This is from Crave Beauty. Zero white cast. Can you believe it? Kitty. Good morning, kitty. Look at this beautiful kitty. And she loves to sleep in this tower. Very resourceful. Yes, you are so beautiful. Yes. The chillest cat in the world for real. Oh. Wow. You're so amazing. Oh, I could lift her from below. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry, kitty, that's so mean. Go back to bed. Enjoy your life, girl. Most beautiful and amazing girl. Now for my little sporty outfit. Here we go. I feel like I never wear sets like this because I feel too like, but I feel like this is way more fun. Ashley gave me this little set. It's these navy blue leggings and then this cutesy little sports top. Oh. Oh, it is getting colder though. I think it's like 60 degrees outside, so I'll add layers just in case. Yes, so earthy. Now my parents have waited long enough. Time for breakfast. One of the few times I'll wear my contacts is when I go to my local gym because there's so many people from my high school there and I always just walk by them without seeing and it's very awkward. Ah! Oh my god. So out of decency, I need to be able to see at the gym. So sad. I don't want to work out. I shed a tear. Now time for makeup. Cause you've been trying to touch. Now I gotta make my water. This is huge. That won't even fit in my belly. This is our family water bottle, and I'm gonna make us a flavorful water today with extra hydration with this Liquid IV. Very gorge, very beautiful. This is my favorite electrolytes drink. Oh, wow, I just like literally inhaled it. It smells so good. And this is the popsicle firecracker flavor, which is one of my like favorite popsicles from childhood, so I love this. I'm gonna add some more just because I have such a big water bottle and because I'm sharing it with 3 people. Another one. What if I just shook it up? What if I just called Taylor up? Oh! It really does taste like that firecracker popsicle. If you're not good at drinking water alone and you want to get more hydrated, this is a great way. Liquid IV hydrates you faster than water alone. No artificial sweeteners or colors. It's just so good. And they have a bunch of flavors to try so you can test out which ones are your favorites, but I really like the popsicle one. Thanks so much to Liquid IV for sponsoring this video and keeping me hydrated. And if you want to try them out, new customers can use my discount code, which I'll put right here on the screen, for 20% off your first order. Now that I have my water all set, it's time to head to the park. I think we're gonna go for a little nature walk before we head to the gym, just to get some fresh air, look around. I don't know. Let's go. We're on our walk now. Yay! Mom gave me these epic sunglasses. What do we think?
Look at these trees. They look like they're growing little butts.
There's a little butts on the trees.
We're gonna go in there.
What is this?
You trying to lose me? Yeah, when I was
In the
little, my parents
maze?
used to bring me everywhere. I still found my way home.
Yeah, this used to be like a really crazy maze, but now you can just see through all of it.
It's a little like Harry Potter.
Yeah.
The trees are gonna come and get us.
Tell this YouTuber to get out of the way. We're trying to vlog.
This other guy is filming. That's me.
Vlogging and YouTubing. Well, we can't both be doing it here.
Only one of us.
There can be only one.
Yeah.
Sit here and just
watch the wind. This is beautiful. This is why we live here.
Yeah.
Honestly, look at this. The nature,
The nature.
the peace, the calm.
You can't find that in New York City.
That's right.
For sure.
How beautiful it is.
This hill is where we brought Bubby one time in one of our old videos. Bubby loved running until he got little like thorns in his paw here.
Bubby sits on my lap. He lays down like a good boy. I need a hug from mom. Hug from mom. Yeah. You okay? You ran around too much. You had too much fun.
Rest in peace, Bubby. You would have loved the park. Oh no.
I need you to hook me up to an IV.
A liquid ivy?
Yeah. It smells good.
Yeah. Wow. Give Dad his own sponsorship. Hydration for the whole family. I'm out of breath. Cows. Is there a baby there? What is happening? There is a baby. Oh my god, it's freaking nursing off the mom.
Yeah. Oh
What
my gosh,
the
so
heck?
Cute.
Wow.
Canadian geese. We see that quite often around here.
It's a whole ecosystem. Which cow is your guys' favorite?
I like the classic broken cow. Those are cute. I like the little the speckled one though. The brown and white speckled one. That's
Oh, I like these little golden cows because they look like Bubby. Dad, did you ever have cows at your farm growing
Yes.
up? You did? Oh, whoa. How many?
Craig used to take care of like 40. And
Oh.
when they're eating, you go up and sit on them.
While they were eating?
Yeah.
What?
very nice. I mean, they don't care.
Really?
In
Look at
town
their
or something,
friends. Well, look at the baby and the mom. They're identical. Who's the daddy? Which one I use?
There's usually not that many bulls because they fight, Emmer.
Oh yeah, where are the bulls? They gotta
They're
keep
The
them
one
hidden
over there
away.
with the horns, waving his tail with his back towards you.
That? No.
There's only one I see with horns.
Just one
Oh.
that's sitting has a horn. This
This?
one has a horn.
Oh.
That's
Oh.
the daddy.
Ooh.
These are all of his girls.
Oh my goodness.
Because you can't have more than one bull. They fight.
He's got so many
That's all
girlfriends.
of his girlfriends.
And you're telling me the girls are not fighting over that
No,
one
they
man?
cannot. That's just how they survive.
What a crazy dude. Let's go to the gym now. This is where I took my prom photos also, in high school. My junior prom right over there. Ew, oh my god, did they not feel weird just like being all over each other? Oh my god, ew, I don't like it. I'm always scared to come here because I see people I know. That's the one downside of coming back to my hometown. I see everybody. This is literally like the watering hole. Thank you.
There.
Hello.
What are we working on, Daddy?
Back and behind.
Back and behind. No, this is whack. That's so whack. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Go, mom. Yes. That's enough, I think.
Yep, that's enough.
I haven't done this since I was in high school.
That was so easy.
It was nothing.
So easy. You're doing good, Amber.
Thank you.
Yay!
Let's go, Dad. Damn. It's the Hulk.
Yeah.
That's my favorite part of coming to the gym with my dad is he scares everyone else away because he's so huge. Nobody messes with us here. We did it. And Mom said she saw all of her patients inside and she was like, we have to get out of here. We need to leave. That's like me. That was a good workout. Yay! Okie dokie. We're back home, and my mom made me this little parfait bowl. This is vanilla yogurt, peaches, and then we couldn't find granola, so she gave me these little ginger cookies to add some crunch. Crush them up. Mmm. Cheers. The ginger cookies are yummy. I also have a little bit of a leftover deli sandwich, so this is our girl lunch. Mommy has a piece of chicken. That is a kind of funny shape. I don't know if you noticed that.
Why are you gonna go there?
I'm sorry. We got a little chicken, avocado, our yogurt bowls, bone apple teeth. Oh, you look like a bird. Oh, sorry.
Hello. Gotta switch it over. Order too much. There's so much food left. Gotta eat it, eat it, eat it, eat, 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 eat.
Well, we just got back from dinner, and I swear we did not order that much food. We're thinking they gave us our order plus someone else's, because we got a bunch of random stuff like beef tongue and fish that we didn't ask for, and we're like, this seems like a little bit too much food right now. And then we felt so guilty. We tried to eat so much, and it was just actually insane, but it was really fun. That's living in balance. Working out, and then immediately getting all-you-can-eat barbecue. Yeah, that's what I thought. Balance. I think that's all for today. Another beautiful day spent with my parents. So much fun. And also thanks to Liquid IV for sponsoring this video. What the hell? Good night. Thanks for watching. Bye.